Yes, good morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of exercise 1.1. First question, first part we had done yesterday. Start second part. And in the second part, you have to solve this by using suitable rearrangement or by using suitable property. So firstly, you will change their place and that property will be known as commutative property of addition. Or you can simply write commutative property whenever you are changing the place of the terms. After changing the place, you will take common, and that common thing, when you take some number common, that property is known as distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, now change the places. These three terms are given: first term, second term, third term. Now, as you can see that we are having 2 by 5 common in the first and the last term. So you will change the place of these two terms. This term will be written here and this term will be shifted here. So 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2, that is commutative property. Okay. Now from this, take 2 by 5 common. Take 2 by 5 common. If you take 2 by 5 common, that property is known as distributive property. And after taking 2 by 5 common, the terms that are left inside the bracket, you will add them by taking LCM. Hurry up, add them. Those who had completed this question, they can start with the second question. Do 2 parts of each and every question. Starting. Take 2 by 5 common. Minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. This will cancel out 1 by 4. Take LCM inside the bracket. After taking LCM, that will be multiplied with 2 by 5. Second question. आगे करते जाओ. What you will be getting from here? Minus 5 by 14 inside the bracket. Minus 5 by 14. Minus 11 by 20. Answer is minus 11 by 20. Are you getting the same answer? Okay, start second question. In the second question, you have to write additive inverse. Yes, Rudransh. What is another name of additive inverse? What is additive identity? What is multiplicative identity? What is multiplicative identity? 1 is the multiplicative identity and 0 is the additive identity. Sit down. Yes, first, can you tell me the two rational numbers which are same as their reciprocal? Do your work. 1 and minus 1 are the two rational numbers which are same as their reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of -1 is again -1. ठीक है? So 1 and -1 are same as their reciprocal. Samiksha, tell the rational number which don't have its reciprocal. 0. Why? Why 0 don't have its reciprocal? 1/0 is not defined. You can't define it. So we are not even able to define the reciprocal. Okay? And if you write 1/0, it will no longer be a rational number, because in case of the rational number, denominator should not be 0. What is the multiplicative inverse of Adish? What is the multiplicative inverse of 1/7? It will be minus 7/1. Multiplicative inverse has one another name. आपने 1/7 का क्या किया? वो क्या होता है उसका? फिर reciprocal is another name of multiplicative inverse. Sit down. So multiplicative inverse of 1/7 is 7/1. Additive inverse of -1/7. Additive inverse of -1/7. -1/7. ये तो नंबर है, मैं कह रही हूँ इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स बताना है. तो ये माइनस माइनस क्या हो गया? प्लस. इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स -1/7. Yes, Prabsharan. What is the reciprocal of -5? ठीक, चलो ये है ना, यहाँ पे -13/17 पुट करोगे तो माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस. तो बाहर एक और माइनस भी तो है, तो नेगेटिव आ जाएगा. Raghav, what is multiplicative inverse of A by B? Multiplicative inverse of A by B. Additive inverse of A by B. जो मैंने अभी बोला है ना, A by B का एडिटिव इनवर्स और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स, उनका प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करो. Find the product of multiplicative inverse of A by B and additive inverse of A by B. The answer that you are getting from both will be multiplied. दोनों का प्रोडक्ट. कभी भी ऐसे नहीं लिखते जैसे आप लिख रहे हो. आप लिख रहे हो A by B is equal to B by B. Are they equal? A by B is equal to B by A. Write it properly. Additive inverse आप लिख रहे हो या multiplicative inverse लिख रहे हो, वो लिखो. इक्वल मत डालो बीच में. They are not equal. Now do question number 5. In question number 5, you have to write the name of each and every property. Yes, Rudransh? Yes. You don't have book? देखो उसके साथ. Write the name of property in question number 5. 3 parts are there. Then do question number 6. किसका आंसर लिखा है आपने? ये फर्स्ट का क्या लिखा है? ये दोनों इकट्ठे थोड़ी हो सकती है। मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स प्रॉपर्टी या प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वन है ये मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स नहीं है। मल्टीप्लिकेटिव नहीं, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी तो वन है। प्रॉपर्टी का नेम, इट इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वन, इट इज अ क्वालिटी ऑफ वन की whenever you multiply any number with one it will be giving you the same number as answer, so it is a property of one. ये property of one आएगा। कॉम्यूटेटिव हो सकता है, लेकिन दोनों मत लिखो ना, एक लिखो एट अ टाइम। कॉम्यूटेटिव भी हो सकता है। Yesterday we had discussed this thing when a by b will be multiplied with b by a and it will give you 1 as answer. ये इसका इनवर्स है। इस प्रॉपर्टी का नेम हो गया मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स प्रॉपर्टी। और अगर ये मल्टीप्लाई की जगह ऐड हो जाए, a by b added to minus a by b, it will give you 0. That is additive inverse property. ये इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स है ना, तो ऐड हो रहे हैं तो एडिटिव इनवर्स प्रॉपर्टी, मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं तो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स प्रॉपर्टी। ठीक है, लेकिन जो प्रॉपर्टी बुक में गिवन है दैट इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वन, और यू कैन से कॉम्यूटेटिव, बट बेटर टू राइट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वन। इट इज अ क्वालिटी ऑफ वन, whenever you multiply any number with one it will give you the same number as answer. Second part is commutative property of multiplication. दो नंबर वाली प्रॉपर्टी कॉम्यूटेटिव होती है। कहाँ कॉमन हो गया? आपने लिखा ही ठीक नहीं है। यहाँ पे, यहाँ 4 नंबर है, आपने 3 लिखे हैं। इक्वल है बीच में, वो तो लिखा ही नहीं आपने। When you multiply two number like 2 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 2, it will give you same answer. So that is known as property of multiplication. So second part is your commutative property of multiplication. Third is, it is same as the first part, multiplicative inverse property. Do question number 6. Question number 6. उसका आंसर -1।
मैम अगर यहाँ पे 29 माइनस 19 की जगह 1 आ जाए तो होगा ना मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी।
हाँ, कि मतलब किसी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, फिर वो प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 1 हो जाएगा। कटिंग नहीं हो रही, कर दो मल्टीप्लाई। 96 बाय -91, 96 अपॉन -91, और यू कैन राइट -96 बाय 91। ठीक है। 7th question, write the name of the property. Whenever 3 numbers are there, the name of the property is, and multiplication is there, so it is
associative property of multiplication.
9th करो। ये 10th कर, आप 9th कर रहे हो। 8th का आंसर, हाँ इसने 9th कर लिया पहले, 8th नहीं किया। 8th and 9th both। करो करो कंप्लीट करो। 8th 9th 10th। attendance. Question number 8 is 8 by 9 add multiplicative inverse of minus 8 by 9? Because minus 1 by 8 का additive multiplicative inverse जो होगा that is minus 8 by 9. But in the answer they have given you 8 by 9, which is not possible. But if it is negative, then the answer will be yes. In the ninth part, yes, it is the multiple. Question number 10. The rational number that doesn't have the reciprocal. The rational number that are equal to the reciprocals. The rational number which is equal to its negative. 0. क्योंकि अगर आप 1 के साथ नेगेटिव लगा देते तो 1 और -1 इक्वल थोड़ी है. But 0 is neither positive nor negative. So if you put 0 with it, it doesn't make any difference. Do 11th question blanks. Those who have done this blank, they can start with the next exercise. Start with the next exercise if you have completed this blanks. मैम को बता देना, मनदीप मैम को मैसेज कर देना, ये फिक्स सेंड कर देना फ्रंट और बैक, और लिख देना स्पेशली मैम रजत इज नॉट अटेंडिंग द क्लास फॉर द लास्ट, आई थिंक ही हैजंट अटेंडेड. लिख दो कॉन्टिन्यूअस एब्सेंट, मैम को भेज देना. करो क्वेश्चन. Start next exercise. Start finding the. In this, you have to find the rational number between the two numbers. Yes, how many rational number lie between two rational number? Infinite. But out of infinite, we are finding 2, 3, as many they are asked in the question. But there are actually infinite many rational number between any two numbers. Okay. First, there is number representation, number line, representation on the number line. If you want to draw 7 by 4, then you will make 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Denominator will be fixed, but numerator will keep on changing. Then when you will find 7 by 4, you will circle it and you will give it name A or B, and you will write A represents 7 by 4 on the number line. Do it and make sure that you are having equal gap between the two portions. If there is no equal gap, then marks will be deducted. गलत किया. Do the first part. Draw 7 by 4 on the number line. Actually, we are constructing line now, so it's compulsory to put arrows on both the sides. Otherwise, marks will be deducted. कब होते हैं वैसे? सितंबर में हो गए. -5/6. Do the next question. Do next question. Don't sit free. Complete this exercise. And Monday onward, we will do some MCQs of this chapter first. Then we will continue with the next chapter. भेज दूंगी आज, भेज दूंगी आज क्या सैटरडे, भेज दूंगी एक दो इकट्ठे ही भेज दूंगी ताकि आपके पास सैटरडे संडे आप कर लो। मुझे याद था पर मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आप लोगों का उस दिन भी टेस्ट था, आपका होता है ना 5 o'clock टेस्ट, इसलिए नहीं मैंने आज भेज दूंगी। इस चैप्टर का ही सेंड कर दूंगी आज। रैशनल नंबर की है, मैं आज आपको एमसीक्यू सेंड करूंगी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्विज दैट विल हैव टाइम लिमिट ऑफ 40 मिनट्स। ठीक है, 8 o'clock 8 to 8:40। ठीक है, ओके। डू नेक्स्ट, write the rational number, 5 rational number which are smaller than 2. 5 rational number which are smaller than 2. Is every integer a rational number?
Yes.
ये जो आपने लिखे ये सारे इंटीजर ही तो हैं। Are they rational numbers? How? Speak loudly, beta. Because they are of the form p by q. Like आपने बोला ना 1 by 1, 0 बोला 0 by 1, -1 -1 by 1, 2 by 1. They are all are of the form p by q and denominator is not 0. So yes, every integer is a rational number. Is the converse true? Is every rational number integer? No. Like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 2 are rational number, but they are not integer. Integers are the combination of negative number as well as positive number. So 1 by 2 is of the form upon, fraction hai. It is not single number. So it, for becoming an integer, it should be like 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. It should be either positive or negative, but in the form of single number, in the form of numerator only. It should not be of the form p by q. So every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not an integer. Okay? Is every whole number an integer, a rational number? Is every whole number a rational number? Yes. Whole number means whole numbers are the part of the integer. Whole numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are all part of the integer, or every integer is a rational number. So yes, every whole number is also a rational number. Natural number भी rational number होते हैं, ठीक है, but converse is not true. Rational number जो हैं वो integer नहीं होंगे, rational number जो है हो सकते हैं but not sure. जैसे मैं आपको कहूँ -2 by 1, -2 by 1 का मतलब क्या है, -2, और -2 इंटीजर होता है ना, तो इसका मतलब sometimes it is possible that a rational number can be integer but it's not true every time. ठीक है, क्लियर है? तो it may or may not happen. अगर सिंगल नंबर है -2 by 1, -3 by 7, 3 by 1, 2 by 1, तो हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी। ठीक है, do question number 5. Question number 5. 4 भी कर लेते हैं, 5 कर लो पहले, सेम ही है। 4th and 5th question is same, so you can do 1 or 2 part out of these 2 questions. LCM से बना लो, 10 आ गया ना, ये आ गया, -4 by 10, 5 by 10। ठीक है, अब इसको 10 से लिखो, -4 by 10, 10 से मल्टीप्लाई। कैसे लिख रहे हो, गलत लिख रहे हो। एलसीएम क्या आ रहा है, 6। यू वांट टू मेक 6 ना, तो मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय, ऐसे थोड़ी लिखना है, नहीं बेटा दोनों के साथ करना है। बीच में क्या होता है, बीच में मतलब होता है सिर्फ न्यूमिनेटर के साथ। सिंपल क्लास, छोटी क्लासेस में मल्टीप्लाई नहीं की, अब ये बन गया आपका, इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, इसको भी 10 से कर दिया, इसके बीच में लिख लो, ये गलती थी बस। डन, शो मी योर नोटबुक, कम हियर। Now do question number 6. Question number 6. अभी जो करना है को बोला था, ये कैसे की है? एलसीएम लिया नहीं, कुछ लिया नहीं, सीधा आंसर? नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, डू इट विथ प्रॉपर मेथड, करके लाओ, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन करके लाओ। यहाँ बैठो फर्स्ट बेंच पे। कोई बात नहीं, हमको 3 4 ही चाहिए बस, फिर ज्यादा बड़े नंबर से कर लो। कहाँ ये माइनस कहाँ गया? ये नेगेटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव है, बहुत सारे नंबर आ रहे हैं, जो मर्जी लिख लो, ये तो ठीक ही है, और भी लिख सकते हो। -40 आएगा इसमें, ठीक है, +4। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, write 5 rational number greater than -2. Yes, Pari. Yes. All the positive number, all the positive integers are always greater than the negative. So you can write 0, -1 में लिख सकते हैं, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The numbers that are on the right of -2 all are greater than -2. So you can write any of the number.